Hi, welcome to Simple Watercolor Tutorials. Watercolor Holiday Card 1. Let's get into our holiday card making and start painting. I'm going to show you the palette, the color palette that I'm going to use. And I'm going to use a flat brush and a small watercolor brush. For the paper, I'm going to use watercolor cold pressed 100% cotton paper. First, let's wet the paper. So this is the kind of a color palette I'm going for. There are Cadmium Orange, Lemon Yellow, Violet, Rose Madder Deep, Cerulean Blue, Malachite. Let's jump right in and get to it. We're going to have only one layer for the aurora sky and then add a pine tree against the sky. The first layer of the sky will be utilizing the wet on wet technique. I'm going to use the flat brush. While doing the layering, consider layering different colors while the paper is still wet for a dreaming blended effect. First, and start with violet from top, then use rose madder deep. Next, add some lemon yellow. Then let's add malachite underneath it. Lastly, we add some violets and cerulean blue in the bottom. Notice I use brush from bottom to top. Remember, the key is to enjoy the process and let water and the pigments dance together. Now the first layer is done, let it dry all the way. As the paper dries, you will notice the colors settling into beautiful soft gradients. Now I'm going to paint pine tree with white paint by using very pigmented white. So it's almost pigment, but just with a little bit of water so that I can activate it. I'm adding along the edges some kind of sharp little points. These are small details that will also help our eyes to view tree branches. Some details that make all the differences. After the first layer of trees dry, I will add another layer with the color gold. I think it would look nice. Now the tree is dry, I will write my message here by using a very small size of brush, using tip of the point. Here I use white paint to write the message. So I hope that you learned a lot and also having fun. I hope that you love this tutorial. If you want to help me out by giving this video a like and a comment below, that would be really helpful to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you can be updated on all my new videos coming out. Thank you so much, and I will see you in next video.